In 1221, a single arrow was fired from the walls of the Persian city of Nishapur. It hit a Mongol commander in the neck, killing him instantly. That was the biggest mistake in the history of warfare because that commander wasn't just a soldier. He was Tokchar, the favorite son-in-law of Genghis Khan. When the news reached the Khan's daughter, she was consumed by grief. She didn't want the city conquered. She demanded that not even a dog or cat be left alive. Genghis Khan gave the order to his youngest son, Tolui, to grant her wish. The Mongol army breached the walls and began a slaughter so systematic it is hard to comprehend. They didn't just kill the soldiers. They hunted down every man, woman, and child. To prove they had finished the job, the soldiers were ordered to cut off the heads of the victims. They built massive pyramids of skulls, one pile for men, one for women, and one for children. So the Khan's daughter could see the revenge was complete. They didn't stop at humans, following the daughter's command. The Mongols slaughtered every stray dog, every cat, and every farm animal in the city. They wanted to ensure that no living thing remained to mourn the dead. Historians estimate 1.7 million people died in mere days. Afterwards, the Mongols planted barley over the ruins.